The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited is perfectly fine. In fact, it's even a bit better than fine, and we think the hybrid version of Hyundai's compact SUV is the best version. Sometimes you just need a solid SUV that's up to the task of daily suburban life, and the Tucson fits that role nicely. For 2025, Hyundai has made its Tucson even better, if only slightly. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited sports a sleek design with sharp lines and angular headlights. While updates are subtle, the SUV maintains its futuristic appeal. The limited trim offers a stylish, street-ready look without the off-road flair. Inside, the Tucson Hybrid Limited combines features from Hyundai's recent models. It boasts a shift-by-wire transmission control knob, dual digital displays, and responsive capacitive controls. Comfortable leather seats, ample storage, and a spacious trunk enhance the experience, though rear legroom is limited for taller passengers. The Tucson Hybrid Limited includes comprehensive driver assistance features. Hyundai's highway driving assist works well, but requires occasional intervention. The blind spot warning system can be inconsistent, missing some vehicles. Overall, the safety tech adds significant value to the SUV. The Tucson Hybrid's powertrain is smooth, seamlessly transitioning between gas and electric power. With 231 horsepower, it offers a comfortable yet engaging ride. There's good, consistent bite from the brakes, noting its impressive performance in Motor Trend's Figure 8 evaluation. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited is ideal for those seeking a smooth drive, a well-equipped interior, and advanced driver assistance features. While its fuel economy lags behind competitors, its overall performance and comfort make it a compelling choice. If you're looking for an SUV that offers a smooth drive, a great interior, and plenty of driver assistance features, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a good choice. All the changes made for 2025 enhance that impression, with the updated interior delivering a better wow factor, and the other revisions keeping things fresh enough without spoiling the essential goodness this generation Tucson has enjoyed for years. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.